Just ask them how I did it. I got out the limo, grabbed her hand, and went upstairs and fucked her.
I would have been swallowed up. Have you ever been swallowed up? Have you gone through a time of swallowing?
From the streets, bitch.
I'm in Miami right now. I'm in Miami right now. I'm in after your fall. I'm on Ocean Drive. I'm in Miami. In Miami right now. I'm in after your fall right now. On Ocean Drive right now. That's on my mama. I'm in Miami. I'm After I go to the window, so I'm going to Cali. I said I'm too official. I'm out with them niggas. I said, man, the rapper on the city, that nigga, he wicked. We pull out with them guns, you know me in the real. Well, mama pays, I ain't having ever since that I was real. Now I came up like an eight pack and I will never squeal. But never ever on my mouth, cause I swear I'm too real. Yeah, I'm in the East Coast, I'm living life for real. Why the fuck you can hate it? I rise to the chill. You gon' really piss me off, and I'ma pull up on the steel. I'ma pull up on the drink, go and get your ass killed. Man, stop capping, cause I'm fucking wicked. I pull up to your city, tell me your location, bitches. You know we fuck that shit. My youngest know you killin', I wanna grind, got money on my mind, no money on my wrist, so I can tell the time. You know I'm rapping the job and I'm trying to eat. All around the world I'm doing shows, I really come to eat. Hey, they trying to play on me, I swear I'm doing my shit. One more time I was poor and I ain't have shit. Every day I'm just riding by the same outfit. I done came up, I'm switching cars, yeah, I'm switching shit. These niggas mad at me, ain't wanna call me. I'm in Miami right now, I'm off of South Beach. I'm living large, I'm living life. They know me, wanna take my life. Yeah, it's on my mama. I'm in Miami, I'm out there doing them videos, shooting, going to Cali. I'm on my mama, that's on my mama. And I'm in Miami right now. I'm in the 305, yeah, I'm on Ocean Drive. Pull up with a red car, my life is on now. They wanna play with me, they wanna clone me. I'm bad bitch, Latino, she wanna sleep with me. I'm in the 305 right now. I'm in Miami right now. On Ocean Drive right now. I'm in Miami right now. I'm in Miami. I'm in the 305. 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 I'm in Miami right now. Yeah, I'm on Ocean Drive. I'm in Miami right now. Yeah, I'm on Ocean Drive. Yeah, in the front car. That's don't look at me. I'm the youngest in the game. You can't beat me. Cause I'm that nigga from the bottom. No, I will never change. Diamonds on my hoodie. I got diamonds on my chain. I'm in this song. No, that's right. Ain't no game. Yeah. In Miami right now. And the 305. Yeah.
I'm from the streets, bitch.
Ray!
Yo, Charlamagne.
What up, my G?
Envy, what up?
What up, Ray J? What happened, man? What the hell went on?
Are we live?
Yes.
Charlamagne, Envy, Angela Yee, I promise you, I'ma have Fab call up there, and he's gonna apologize to the Breakfast Club. He's gonna apologize to me for being a broke-ass, bitch-ass nigga.
Now, this gotta end peacefully, Ray.
I'm playing games with this shit, nigga.
And I like Ray J a lot, so you're right.
Fuck this nigga.
Talk to him, Pop.
Fuck that whole team, nigga. I'ma smack the shit out that bitch-ass nigga.
Now, we gonna try to get Fab on the line and squad.
Nigga, get Fab on the line right now. I'll smack the shit out that nigga.
You can't smack him over the phone, Ray.
On the phone that like niggas, and they gonna rape that nigga. Bend that nigga over and stick it in that nigga boot.
All right,
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right.
I don't give a fuck.
We gonna squash this out, Ray. Appreciate you calling
I
in.
don't give a fuck.
We gonna
Talk to him, Ray.
Don't you amp that up, Charlamagne. Stop it.
I like when you like this, Daddy. Daddy, I like when you scrambling and scraping for shit. I like that.
Late night crew. Merry Christmas, fuckers. Merry Christmas, jingle bells, nigga. I'm blurry, I don't have my hat on, but give me a moment. while I'm doing me, can I get you say what's up to your boy one time? Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Oh, shit. You can't see me at all, nigga. Look, it's like you need glasses. That's better. Kendra, Merry Christmas. Merry motherfucking Christmas, everybody. Oh, man. Where's my, Javon Barksdale, top 20, Scott motherfucking Johnson. Brina, what up? Skull Gang, what's happening? V12, we in this bitch. Victoria, what's up, cuz? I want to make a small announcement. Yes, I talk shit about black people because my wife's white. Hey, I also talk shit about white people because my wife's white too. Hey man, any of y'all niggas that ever want to step toe to toe with me, nigga, all y'all niggas got to do is drop the location, man. We don't have to do none of this internet shit, nigga. Don't be mad that my bitch look better than yours. I need you to stop. It's not my fault. I also want you to also understand something. P. Diddy and Jay-Z are not your brother. These are not black people that you can count on. As a matter of fact, these niggas sell out black people more than anybody alive. And then you gonna sit here and say something about, I'd rather have a white wife instead of being like Jay-Z and have a black wife who wants to look like a white bitch. Ain't that worse? Ain't it worse to be with a black bitch that looks like a white bitch? Mac Daddy 101 was happening, cuz. Sandy, we in here. Diddy will make black women and black men walk for a fucking slice of cheesecake, nigga. Beyonce, aka Carrie Underwood. We gonna get into this satanic bitch, nigga. That's why Jay took a big ass loss today, nigga. That nigga said, hold on, let me read the comment, nigga. Cause that shit had, nigga, I was over here dying laughing. I'm like, so I post a picture of my family, and this is what comes across your mind. Hold on, where's the fuck is this shit at? This is the funniest shit ever, nigga. I was over here in tears, nigga. That motherfucker said, oh, it makes sense now. Why dude always talking down on black folks? Homie got a lot of self-hate in him. Me fucking a white woman that's my wife does not mean I hate myself. My whether or not I love myself is not defined where I put my dick, nigga. It's not defined by who has my kids, nigga. Y'all niggas be thinking y'all can say that shit to me and make me like stand down or some shit. You can't, you bitch ass niggas. Hey, the difference between me and y'all is I actually married a white woman and I still talk shit to them niggas. Ain't no white man you can tell on me. Not even her daddy, nigga. But I'm so happy to be here tonight because we got so much Jay-Z shit to talk about. This shit is unreal what happened today. Judge woke up today and chose violence. I didn't expect the judge to say shit before next Monday. You know how these motherfuckers are. I ain't expect shit, but nigga, like, understand, bro. Nigga, it's bad out here for Hova. Ain't that what y'all call that nigga? Y'all Hova? Y'all J Hova? Nah, that ain't you, huh? Nah, I feel you. I feel you. Hey man, first of all, I do want to shout out my wife though. Nigga, that motherfucking dinner yesterday, bro. Her and football showed they motherfucking ass, nigga. They showed they ass, nigga. The motherfucking lobster tails and shit, nigga. Snow crab, the motherfucking seafood boil, nigga. The mini cheesecakes and shit, nigga. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry, what's happening, cuz? I can't believe they done did you like that, nigga. I'm glad you said fuck them motherfuckers though. So I would definitely want to shout out my wife. When I tell you I had just an excellent time yesterday, spending time with my family, just hanging out. Shay Jr. was just like, it was just everything. It was every motherfucking thing. Yesterday was everything. So, shout out to the Hall family, holding it down, motherfuckers. I love y'all. Even though y'all don't like me, it's okay. Bro, that's what I ate before I went on the air. I was eating leftovers of that before I went on the air. Shit, fire. That shit was fire. Shout out to my wife for the brand new hat. Can never go wrong with a Warriors hat. It's G-rated until you know who I am. That shit looks like G-rated wholesomeness until you see me in it. It's like, this shit was wholesome, but hold on, Shay's in it. And we know that nigga's not wholesome at all. We know he's not wholesome at all. So shout out to football, shout out to Baby Yoda, and of course shout out to my wife Christy. At least Christy did not decide on Christmas to get raised up out of our house on a cross. I at least can count on her for that. So oh yeah, he forgot all about it. He woke up like it was Christmas again, bless him. He woke up like, Merry Christmas. He was crunk, nigga, all over again. So he parlayed one Christmas into two. And playing with his Thomas the Train shit nonstop. I've never seen a little kid play with a train set for like 16, 17 hours straight. Jay-Z, your Christmas was not as good as mine. See, all that fucking money, Jay-Z, all of that fucking money, you supposed to be worth $2.5 billion, nigga, and I had a better Christmas than you, nigga. I had a better Christmas than you. He loved that shit, son. So I don't even know where to start. Do I start by reading what the judge say, or do I break down Beyonce and her satanic ass performance? Because I got the whole performance. We're gonna break that shit down. Obviously, I gotta do heavy pauses and shit like that because of them. But we going over that shit. Beyonce's white party. Talk plain. Talk plain. We got 98 people in here on the day after Christmas. Hit that like button, right? And then let's vote. I ain't gonna do it how I want to do it. But I got both cocked ready to go. Do you want to break down Beyonce's satanic white ritual that she used to try to save her husband? Press 1. Or do you want to hear what happened in court today? Press 2. Now, let me also tell you, her satanic shit yesterday, she could have been doing that shit because she wants Jay to get in trouble. Has anybody ever thought about this, that Beyonce may actually want out? Maybe yesterday was her ritual to try to get the gods, her gods, to get her up out of that shit. So we going with Beyonce first? Fuck it, let's go with Beyonce.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Beyonce trying to divest. Talk plain. She sees the writing on the wall. So we out in Houston. Shout out to the Beehive. So, first of all, Texans, I hope you understand that you can never have Beyonce there again, or that will happen again. Y'all got y'all ass beat. What was it, like 31-2? Didn't I tell y'all niggas y'all would not score again? Who was here? Because this shit was crazy. Just for those that wasn't here yesterday, I came on air for just a hot second on some, just telling everybody Merry Christmas. It was random as fuck. It was random. It was a little time in the day. Everybody was kind of chilling. So I said, I'll go holler at everybody for a minute and smoke a blunt with them. And while we were on, just so happens that her halftime performance started. So I live reacted to it. And I told everybody after all the satanic imagery I saw that there was no motherfucking way that the Texans was going to win. And I said they wasn't even going to score again. And I told y'all that y'all was going to tell me that it was just a coincidence too. Bro, y'all can't be playing with Jesus like this. On his birthday, you try to play Jesus out on his birthday like you just some soybean burger type nigga? Okay. Good luck. Good luck. It was so much satanic image. First of all, she riding in on a white horse. Oh, my Lord. Because you know them super satanic motherfuckers always want you to think they're pure and of purity. Ain't that right, Beyonce? Bitch, come in on the motherfucking white horse. I mean, this shit's just... Whew. When I tell you it's outrageous even for Beyonce, it was outrageous for even Beyonce. It was outrageous for even her. What is all of this? These hoes look like druids. This ain't no cowboy shit. Why does she look like she in a trance? Am I the only one that sees this? So y'all don't see her looking like she's in a trance. No? So it's just me. This bitch is in a trance. She looks like she has been, I don't even know what to call it. Like, what is that look on her face? And Beyonce lead the pack, bitch. Now, she comes out on the stage, and this is when all the super satanic shit starts popping off. So they're already down 17-2 because Jesus already knew what this was. Just for the record, these are not the Texans of when they just came to the NFL. These niggas are supposed to score more than 2 points. Now she said 1, 2, trace 4.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
So here we go already. Here we go already. Not even 10 seconds into the shit. We got to throw up the 666s immediately. Yep, and shoot them up to the skies. I can't talk about Jay-Z because I got a white wife, but Jay-Z get to be with a black bitch who tries to make herself be a white wife. Make this make sense. This is her transforming to Sasha Fierce. What do we have here? 666s, 666s, 666s. It's a plenty. Nigga, when I tell you it's a plenty, nigga, this is, and again, they want me to believe that this is just some shit they just so happen to be doing with their hands that don't mean anything. Even though me and you, we never make our hands do this. You know they gonna do all they 666s. And then the bitches she got, like, what is this shit? And I'm trying to understand how they allowed to do country music now. White people ain't going for this shit. The shit was just, this fucking performance was one of the weirdest performances I ever seen. Everybody, all the men were zesty. None of the men looked fucking masculine at all. First of all, her dancers were not crisp. What on earth are y'all doing? All right, Sasha Fierce, you got it. Hold on, Beyonce, you look at. Now, what do we have here? Why is she dancing why is she dancing throwing up the hand symmetry? If this is all they just be doing it, why do they always just so happen to do it? Now she's throwing up the dynasty sign. And I'm supposed to believe this ain't some type of ritual at all. That's what they want me to believe. There's no type of ritual to this shit at all. Shit, Jay-Z might not even be heterosexual at this juncture. So then they bring Shabuzi out because, you know, this is the next country star, a country star that looks like a nigga, you know. Got you. So what do we have here? What do we have here? So now we throwing up the demon horns. This is just all, and I'm supposed to believe this is just all just by coincidence. So she comes out of the dynasty sign, and now they throwing up the demon. Now, when they did the parading line of 666, I had to give them credit. Beyonce, this shit just didn't hit like you thought it was, at least for me. First of all, Beyonce just not hot like that to me, man. I'm so sorry. I know some of y'all niggas think she's so bad, but she ain't got no fat ass. She ain't got no big titties for her frame or nothing. And then this nigga, then she went and got this. This nigga he just embodies Satan. I'm sorry, nigga. Post Malone, get mad, nigga. You embody Satan. This nigga look at his hands. These are the hands of a demon, nigga. Look at this nigga hands. I like Black Beyonce too. Destiny's Child Beyonce, okay. Look at this nigga got the hands of a demon. And we like Post Malone again. Why? Ho, ho, ho down. And the Texans wonder why they got their ass utterly beat. Y'all letting this bitch drive this white Cadillac across this motherfucking field, nigga. Yeah, but I see you got that fan in the back so your bitch ass can stay cool. It was the 666 line that did it for me. So now apparently that's some college band. And how many times are we gonna bring Beyonce down some steps? Like, they use that shit like 10 times. This bitch coming down some steps. Like, what is these? What the fuck was that? That shit looks stupid to the motherfucker. Howdy, partner. All right, let's shuffle across the field. Ready, set, shuffle. All right, shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. All right, what the this shit? Bitch, you supposed to be Beyonce. This shit, I'm heavily critiquing all of this shit. You supposed to be the great Beyonce. These dance moves just ain't it. Dolly Parton, her performance as one of the fucking cowgirls last year was better than this. I put it on my mama. Bro, I was ready to fuck the shit out of Dolly Parton, nigga. I'm not ready to fuck Beyonce. I was ready to fuck Dolly last year. Fig was happening. This is where I was mad. White people, hey, I talk so much shit about white people. But white people, let me keep this shit a stack. Let me keep this shit a bean. First of all, white people, when I saw them try to do their line dance or river dance or whatever the fuck it was, bro, yeah, they would have definitely called me. Yeah, nigga, you always caping for white folk. Nigga, I'm about to cape for them right here, nigga. Nigga, you gotta understand. When I saw these niggas do this river dance and shit, nigga, I was utterly disgusted. Utterly disgusted. Utterly. First of all, let me put Dolly Parton up here, nigga, because they think I'd have wore Dolly Parton ass out when she did this shit last year. I'd have wore her out, nigga. Do you hear me? Hold on, where you go, Dolly? Oh shit, I gotta say the motherfucker first. Getting ahead of myself. Nigga, Dolly Parton would have got the works, nigga. Her old ass and them old ass fake titties, nigga, would have got the beats, nigga. Jerry Jones, I don't even fuck with the Cowboys. I don't like Jerry Jones, but this is the best thing Jerry Jones ever did, nigga. You definitely can go raw on Dolly. That's a plus. Because I'm sure it's probably not the same vagina. She's had at least 4 or 5 pussies replaced. Allegedly. This is all alleged. I don't know for sure. But I would guess that the pussy's been changed about 4 or 5 times. So I was like, wait, is Dolly Parton a cowgirl, nigga? Beyonce, this was your competition. Dolly Parton shut that shit down, nigga. She was down the street in Arlington and shut that shit down. Dolly Parton would have did this better though. Y'all would have seen watch the worst river dancing ever, nigga. What the fuck is that, nigga? The great disrespect of white people, nigga. Watch that bullshit again. If you ain't never seen no real line dancing or river dancing for white people, then you need to go check. This was disrespectful. Look at Beyonce. She can't even kick her leg for real. Oh my God. Oh, hell. Hell to the no, nigga. She can't get them legs up, nigga. What's wrong with Beyonce legs? How come she can't kick them damn legs up, nigga? Them baby ass kicks, nigga. Beyonce can't get them legs up, nigga. Well, bye. Cross your ass on over the country. It's the only genre of music I don't listen to. So bye. Look at this trash ass dance. Hee-haw! We're a bunch of niggers and we're acting like we know how to have a good old hoedown with old Beyonce. Now, let me remind y'all, Beyonce was just at a Super Bowl a few years ago acting like she was a Black Panther. I just want to put that. We don't forgot? Oh, we forgot. We forgot that Beyonce just a few years ago did a Super Bowl where she was a Black Panther. I just wanted to point that out. From Black Panther to Hillbilly. Oh, here we go. Now they sacrificing Beyonce. How am I supposed to believe that this is not them doing some sort of ritual, bro? Triple sixes. Did you not see that they carried her across like a sacrifice, and then the moment they put her down, they put up the triple sixes?
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
All gay. Every last one of these niggas is gay. They gotta be. Zesty indeed. Just blatant ass shit, nigga. The coup de grace was everything, though. It was the coup de grace for me. So here goes the coup de grace. Now, what do you see right here? I can't be the only one that sees it. What do you see? I see Beyonce on a cross. This is Beyonce on a cross. And then she's getting ascended into the sky on a cross. She's being lifted into the sky on a cross.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
I don't want to hear shit. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I know I can see with my own eyes, nigga. Beyonce, like Tommy said Beyonce was on the cross to pay for Jay-Z's sins, nigga. This is what they be on too.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Bang. You got ascended on a cross on Jesus' birthday and then had bang at the end. And what is this? Yeah, and I noticed you said God bless, but you never said anything about happy birthday, Jesus. And that's because y'all don't worship the same God. And y'all know this. Y'all hope that most niggas don't know this, but I do know that when y'all be saying God, y'all not talking about like Jesus and whatnot. Y'all talking about y'all God. Yo God, nigga. I had to sit. I mean, that shit was just next level satanic. It was next level satanic. It was. Now, did she do all this sacrifice and prayer for Jay-Z to save him? Do you think she did this? If let's just say for shits and giggles, this was a ritual. Do you think she did this to save Jay-Z? Press 1 for yes, 2 for no. I'm going to say no. This was to save herself, especially after what came out today. Jay, you might be on your own, bruh. Jay, you might be on your own, bruh. Because your wife did that performance and then something else came out today.
Tactical nuke incoming!
She said her God is a woman. Typical. It's good, Whitney. Bengals mom was happening. Jay-Z, we got to talk, cousin. Some news came out today, bro. The judge decided to answer you today. I never expected this, Diddy or Jay. I never expected this. I never expected to get that phone call already. Cause Jay, you in trouble, nigga. And of course we got the paperwork. No stories need to be told here. We got the paperwork. You know how we do. Hit the like button. Filed on December 26, 2024. United States District Court, Southern District of New York, Jane Doe plaintiff against Sean Combs, Daddy's House Recordings Inc., CEO PCO LLC, doing business as Combs Global, further known as Combs Enterprises LLC, Bad Boy Entertainment Holdings Inc., Bad Boy Productions Holdings Inc., Bad Boy Books Holdings Inc., Bad Boy Records LLC, Bad Boy Entertainment LLC, Bad Boy Productions LLC, organizational does 1 through 10, individual does 1 through 10, and it's your boy, Sean Jay-Z Carter. Hey, what did I just get on my shirt? Well, this is an order that came from the judge. And Elisa Torres, district judge. Plaintiff Jane Doe filed this action on October 20th, 2024, alleging violation of the New York City Victims of Gender Motivated Violence Protection Act, NYC Admin Code 10-1101. C, generally ECF number 1. By order date November 6, 2024, the court provisionally granted plaintiff's motion to proceed anonymously, explaining that defendants had yet to appear in this matter and that the balance of interest weighing for or against anonymity may shift as her suit continues. ECF number 28. So Jay, remember when you first started talking about that, we gotta know who this chick is. Didn't I tell you that they already decided on this and said that she could stay silent? I told you this to your face. Did you listen? Of course not. You're Jehovah. Right. On December 8, 2024, plaintiff amended her complaint to add Sean Carter, known professionally as Jay-Z. Oh, nigga, they done put Jay-Z in the court papers, nigga. As a defendant, see generally AM compel, ECF number 29. Plaintiff again sought leave to proceed anonymously, ECF number 32, but this time Carter's counsel appeared and moved to deny her motion, or in the alternative to dismiss her amended complaint pursuant to Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 12B1, ECF numbers 36 through 37 and 40. Carter also moved for an expedited hearing on the issue, ECF number 41. The next day, Carter's attorney filed a letter containing a declaration from an associate at his law firm recounting a phone conversation she had with an unnamed woman who claimed that plaintiff's counsel encouraged her to lie about her experience of sexual assault, ECF's numbers 42 and 42-1. Carter's lawyer asked the court to consider this additional information in connection with plaintiff's motion to proceed anonymously, ECF number 42. Plaintiff's counsel denied Carter's allegations against him, ECF number 44. On December 13, 2024, Carter's attorney filed an additional letter alerting the court to a recently published interview of plaintiff on NBC News, ECF numbers 46, 46-1. See also ECF number 52. In the interview, plaintiff, speaking anonymously, explained her allegations against defendants and her reasons for coming forward now. See generally ECF number 46-1. Carter's lawyer points to the interview in which plaintiff admitted in inconsistencies in her story as evidence that plaintiff's claims have, quote, no factual basis whatsoever, end quote. ECF number 46-2. And just for the record, she's just quoting what they were saying. This is the judge just telling you what they were saying. He also argues that plaintiffs counsel violated federal rule of civil procedure 11B by, quote, failing to undertake a reasonable inquiry into the facts before filing a complaint, end quote, and failing to seek admission pro hoc vice to this court. Carter's attorney requested an expedited briefing scheduled for a motion to strike the First Amendment complaint under federal rules of civil procedure 11C2 and 12F at 3. The next day, Carter's counsel submitted yet another filing, a motion for an emergency order directing the preservation of evidence and striking striking the amended complaint under Rule 12F ECF numbers 47 through 49. Motion to proceed anonymously. In deciding whether a plaintiff may proceed anonymously, courts balance, quote, the plaintiff's interest in anonymity, end quote, against, quote, both the public interest in disclosure and any prejudice to the defendant, end quote. Sealed plaintiff versus sealed defendant, 537 F3D 185 189, Second Circuit 2008. The Second Circuit has laid out a non-exhaustive list of factors to be considered. Number one, whether the litigation involves matters that are highly sensitive and of a personal nature. Yes. Whether identification poses a risk of retaliatory physical or mental harm to the parties seeking to proceed anonymously, or even more critically to innocent non-parties. Yes. Number three, whether identification presents other harms and the likely severity of those harms, including whether the injury litigated against would be incurred as a result of the disclosure of the plaintiff's identity. Yes. Number four, whether the plaintiff is particularly vulnerable to the possible harms of disclosure, particularly in light of her age. Yes. Number five, whether the suit is challenging the actions of the government or that of a private party. You not government, nigga. Number six, whether the defendant is prejudiced by allowing the plaintiff to press her claims anonymously, whether the nature of that prejudice, if any, differs at any particular state of the litigation, and whether any prejudice can be mitigated by the district court. See, this is what I went back to, where I was just like, nigga, you want to try to accuse me of rape anonymously? Well, let's see this fucking evidence you got. Because to try to prove that shit from the shadows is going to be tough unless you got some real evidence. Number seven, whether the plaintiff's identity has thus far been kept confidential. It has. Whether the public's interest in the litigation is furthered by requiring the plaintiff to disclose her identity. Jay, when I tell you how your lawyer fucked up, oh, you about to be mad. Plaintiff's lawyer has citation number one or notation number one. Plaintiff's lawyer has since responded, arguing that a Rule 11 motion would not be appropriate here. See generally ECF number 50. Talking about Busby. Number nine, whether because of the purely legal nature of the issues presented or otherwise, there isn't a typically weak public interest in knowing the litigants' identities, and whether there are any alternative mechanisms for protecting the confidentiality of the plaintiff. ID at 190, cleaned up, citations omitted. A court is not required to list each of the factors or use any particular formulation as long as it is clear to the court, clear that the court balanced the interest at stake in reaching its conclusion in court. ID at 191 N4. Here, the weight of the factors tip in favor of allowing plaintiff to remain anonymous, at least for this stage of litigation. Well, factors 1, 2, 4, and 7 weigh strongly in favor of anonymity. In her amended complaint, plaintiff alleges that defendants drugged and raped her when she was only 13. Whew. Courts in this district have recognized that allegations concerning sexual assault are, quote, highly sensitive, end quote, and, quote, of an extremely personal nature, end quote. Let's go even further, Judge Torres. These are the same Me Too bitches, though. Jay-Z, Beyonce, they all Me Too bitches. And what is Me Too? We are to believe all women when it comes to rich and powerful men. This is what y'all told me. Y'all told me that we are to believe every woman who comes forward about a powerful rich man. Why ain't y'all doing that now? What happened? Y'all told me, because it wasn't even just, because a lot of people think that it was just men. No, there was a specific man. They said any type of rich and powerful man, you have to believe the woman because he's so rich and powerful, he's definitely lying. This is what Jay-Z, Beyonce, all of y'all, this is what y'all told me. Y'all was running with that. Bro, y'all know I likes to leave that shit out, but facts stay facts. Y'all know I'm not lying for a motherfucker. Facts stay facts. All of that Kamala and Obama shit, bro, yeah, this was what y'all was on. It is what it is, nigga. The shit is what it is, nigga. So I don't know. This is why this shit comes across funny to me, where it's like Jay-Z sitting here like, we gotta know who this bitch is. Hold on, Jay. I know you said you innocent and all this shit, but how are you just trampling over this woman's rights like this? Why you just want to treat her like she's just some bitch? I thought that y'all said we believe all women, nigga. We believe all women unless they talking about you, though. Got it. Got it. That's why I have no problem giving this lady the benefit of the doubt more than I would maybe give another lady. You know why? Because I'm watching her go up against people who told me that I got to give the benefit of the doubt to every woman that say some shit like this. Now, all of a sudden, I'm watching these same lefty ass shows and this liberal shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. You niggas is now sitting here talking shit about this bitch. This shit wild to me. To watch y'all niggas sit here and talk shit about this bitch is fucking... That's just wild to me, bro. Questioning this bitch and, oh, her story had inconsistencies. And nah, when niggas was bringing up shit like inconsistencies and stories and shit, y'all act like that shit didn't matter. Now that the inconsistencies favor against you, now I'm supposed to take your side again. When we try to tell y'all that shit like this happened, y'all said no. No, when it's rich and powerful, Jay-Z boasts about being worth $2.5 billion, bro. This bitch ain't even asking for $1 yet. This nigga trying to ruin her fucking life. Because here's the other part. Had she asked for money, y'all would have roasted her on that. Now that she didn't ask for no money, now you ain't got shit to say. Oh, she's gonna ask for money at some point. Well, she was smart enough not to do it yet. And yes, Jay-Z ain't even motherfucking denied shit. I keep seeing y'all write these shit saying that he is vehemently denied and all. Bro, no, he has not. No, he has not. I keep hearing y'all say it, but that's not true. Plaintiff is particularly vulnerable to the possible harms of disclosure. Seal plaintiff 537 F3D at 190. According to her amended complaint, she continues to experience depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and a seizure disorder associated with the stress of her sexual assault. Amended complaint 61, paragraph 61. See also Indict 2024 WL 4299757 at 2. Denying disclosure in part because of the risk it posed to plaintiff's already fragile mental health. Moreover, plaintiff's counsel asserts that many of his other clients who have filed similar lawsuits against Sean Combs claim to have been threatened by Mr. Combs for their decision to speak out. ECF number 33, paragraph 5 through 6. And finally, although plaintiff sat for an interview with NBC News concerning her case, NBC allowed her to conduct the interview anonymously. Right. That part, Judge. Even if we are going to believe that this is her doing it, y'all let her do it anonymously. And you were just fine with using her words anonymously to try to cook her on this case. So if you were fine with doing it then, you can do it over here now. That is such a great point. She's pointing out to Alex Spiro, you didn't say nothing to NBC about letting that bitch be anonymous. As a matter of fact, you did the opposite. You said everything they said was the gospel about this anonymous chick. And you were able to file all these motions claiming that she's lying all this shit based off of that. Well, if you could do that much when she's anonymous on NBC, you can do it when she's anonymous in this courtroom. Damn, man. Judge Torres is a whole ass savage, nigga. She's not going for this shit. Y'all niggas thought y'all, bro, she's very on point with this shit. Granted, several factors weigh against allowing plaintiff to proceed anonymously. Plaintiff is challenging the actions of private parties, not the government, and given the media attention surrounding the case, or this case, the public has a substantial interest in this litigation, separate and apart from its general interest in an accused. Quote, being able to publicly confront an accuser, end quote. Doe v. Combs, number 23, Civ 10628, 2024 WL 863-705 at 5, Southern District, New York, February 29th, 2024. Alternative mechanisms may exist to protect confidentiality, namely the redaction of sealing of documents. See Skyline Autos 375 F sub 3D at 408. Most importantly, plaintiffs' continue anonymity may cause prejudice to defendants, making it more difficult for them to collect the facts necessary to mount a defense as appropriate, challenge plaintiffs' credibility. Combs 2024 WL 863-705 at 4, identifying the most significant form of prejudice to defendants as the discovery advantage that plaintiffs' anonymity would present. The court does not take such prejudice lightly. Nevertheless, at this exceedingly early stage of in this case, the factors counseling against disclosure outweigh those that counsel in favor. Womp womp. Joy, Merry Christmas. Doe, CF Doe v. Delta Airlines, Inc. 310, FRD 222-226, Southern District, New York, 2025, requiring the plaintiff to identify herself as the case approached trial. Accordingly, plaintiff's motion to proceed anonymously is granted in bold letters, nigga. Is granted, nigga. Yeah, we doing it, bitch. Yes, she gets to be anonymous, Jay. Now what? Jay-Z, this is a whole ass L, bro. I just need you to understand, Jay, you took some L's, bro. You took some L's, my nigga. Jay-Z, you taking some L's, bro. Now you did all that hooping and hollering and she gets to stay motherfucking anonymous. This is bad for you. This is a whole ass L for you. This is a whole ass L for you. Remaining motions. Oh, wait. Plaintiff is advised that because the balance of these factors will certainly shift as the case proceeds, especially if and when the parties engage in discovery in earnest, the court intends to revisit this decision at a future date. Remaining motions. Since Carter's attorney first appeared in this case 17 days ago, he has submitted a litany of letters and motions attempting to impugn the character of plaintiff's lawyer, many of them expounding on the purported urgency of this case. See e.g. ECF number 38 at 1-2, describing plaintiff's counsel as, quote, self-promoting and accusing him of, quote, extortion. ECF number 41 at 1, requesting to be heard, quote, on an expedited basis, quote, and accusing plaintiff's counsel of, quote, exploiting the legal process to generate media attention, end quote. ECF number 42 at 1, asserting that plaintiff's counsel, quote, seeks only to benefit himself, end quote. ECF number 46 at 3, requesting the shortening of a deadline, quote, from 21 days to 1 day, end quote. From 21 days to 1 day. Nigga, I told you, like, who'd you think you were, bro? ECF number 48 at 11 and 15, describing plaintiff's counsel as willing, quote, to blatantly violate the core ethical obligation of all attorneys, end quote, and requesting a hearing on a motion the following day. I told you they wasn't going for that shit. Carter's lawyer's relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks is inappropriate. Hey, Jay, this is a whole ass L, nigga. Judge is sitting here motherfucking embarrassing Spiro, nigga. She's like, I'm not scared of none of that shit. This nigga keep filing all these fucking motions and these dumbass letters and shit. And all he want to do, bro, remember when I was reading that shit to y'all? I was like, the judge is not going for him trying to prove a case against this chick by going at her lawyer. I've never seen this strategy before. Because even if you prove that Busby's a total liar, nigga, that don't mean she's lying at all. Damn, nigga. Carter lawyer's relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks is inappropriate, a waste of judicial resources, and a tactic unlikely to benefit his client. Hey, Jay, didn't I tell you need to fire that nigga? Let's go back to the beginning. First time Alex Spiro spoke out, I told Jay he need to fire this nigga. Now this nigga's in here getting yelled at by the judge. Like, nigga, stop clogging up my fucking court with this bullshit, nigga. This shit is inappropriate. It's a waste of resources, and it's a tactic that's not gonna help you, Jay. The court will not fast track the judicial process merely because counsel demands it. Yo, she's just dropping Spiro on his fucking head, nigga. Them motions and shit you wrote, Spiro, was wild, bro. Them shits was wild, bro. Yeah, exactly. About that having 99 problems with a bitch not being one. Well, this bitch that is the judge, she's a problem. Let me read this paragraph again, because this sums this shit up beautifully. Carter's lawyer's relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks is inappropriate, a waste of judicial resources, and a tactic unlikely to benefit his client. The court will not fast track the judicial process merely because counsel demands it. Moreover, yeah, nigga, there's more. Although Carter's attorney assails plaintiff's lawyer as having a, quote, chronic inability to follow the rules, end quote. My bad, excuse me. ECF number 48 at 3. Carter's counsel has failed to abide by this court's clear rules. Under the court's individual practices in civil cases, and with limited exceptions, quote, a pre-motion letter is required prior to the filing of any motion, end quote. Paragraph 3A1. Although Carter's attorney stated that he intended to file immediately a motion to strike the first amended complaint under Rule 12F, ECF number 46 at 3, he did not give the plaintiff the requisite 5 business days to respond. See individual practices, paragraph 3A2. Wait for the court to set a motion, CID, or state whether any exception to the court's individual practices applied. See ECF numbers 47 through 49. This is unacceptable. You got the worst lawyer ever, nigga. This is unacceptable. Counsel is hereby advised. Hold on. Not only is this is unacceptable, counsel is hereby advised that any further motions filed in violation of the court's individual practices may be denied on that ground alone. So, hey, nigga, just so you know, the next time you do this shit, I'm saying no, even if you probably have a valid motion. I'm getting ready to say no, just on the strength. Shit. Clee, Merry Christmas. Giovanna, Merry Christmas. Coco, Merry Christmas. Lastly, although Carter's attorney is entitled to file a Rule 11 motion without first seeking leave of court, see individual practices, paragraph 3A, the court discourages this approach. If he still intends to serve plaintiff with a motion for sanctions, the court denies his request to shorten the safe harbor provisions contained within Rule 11C2 from 21 days to 1. Hey, remember when you said, hey, I want that meeting tomorrow? Well, she waited past tomorrow to tell you no. That's some savage shit. This nigga said, I want a meeting tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. She waited like 4 days past that deadline to tell him no. That's some savage shit, nigga. I fuck with Judge Torres. See ECF number 46 at 3, notation 2. On the merits, Carter's motion to strike is denied. Motions to strike under Rule 12F, quote, are generally disfavored, end quote, and will only be granted, quote, only if there is a strong reason to do so, end quote. Abadu versus Walker, number 19, civil 1824, 2022, WL 3334700 at 2 Southern District, New York, August 12, 2022. Citation omitted. Carter's motion, which summarily asserts that plaintiff's claims are baseless and salacious, does not clear that high bar. ECF number 48 at 14. Carter's motion to strike the amended complaint under Rule 12F is denied. By January 10, 2025, plaintiff shall file her response to Carter's motion for an order directing the preservation of evidence. By January 17, 2025, Carter shall file his reply, if any. The clerk of court is respectfully directed to terminate the motions at ECF numbers 32, 37, 40 through 41, and 46. So ordered. Annalisa Torres, United States District Judge, dated December 26, 2024, New York, New York. Y'all tried that bully ball shit and the judge said, eat a dick. Y'all tried to punk her. It didn't work. You done filed all them fucking motions. You done made Jay look bad in the motherfucking court. Jay-Z thought this shit was going away in a week. You talked all that shit about Busby. You was just gonna expose this nigga. The judge told you straight up, shut the fuck up talking about Busby. Busby ain't got shit to do with this shit. This shit's inappropriate and inflammatory. And talking all this shit about Busby ain't gonna help y'all. Busby took a whole ass dub today, nigga. Another one. Y'all did all that wolfing, nigga, only for the judge to come out the day after Christmas and say the answer is no. Jay thought this shit was over. Jay made this shit like, bro, remember when the motherfucking NBC shit popped off? Yeah, everybody, this shit's over. See you in January, nigga. This shit ain't even gonna be over by the end of January. So, Jay, you will be starting your 2025 or 2025 off defending yourself against rape. Congratulations. You played yourself.
What I'm saying is, like, we're gonna find that person.
Yeah.
When we do find them, once we get them back, I'm gonna give them right back to them.
Really?
Say, congratulations, you played yourself.
Random news, Merry Christmas, cousin. This is embarrassing, nigga. Alex Spiro was talking all that big shit, filing motion after motion after motion. And the judge said, you better cut that shit out, nigga, or you gonna get Jay fucked up. And as a matter of fact, you filing motions wrong or you file some shit like that again, I'm gonna strike the shit just because of that. I don't give a fuck what's in the motion. You want this shit expedited from 21 days to 1 day? Fuck you. You get nothing. It's denied, nigga. Oh, and she gonna stay motherfucking anonymous too. Yeah, we decided on that too. We decided she gonna stay anonymous too. This is a whole L. But I'm sure some of y'all gonna get my comments and tell me that this is just the white man trying to bring down another black man. Y'all do understand that Jay-Z is not just another black man. Yeah, I do. You know what? Don't worry about it. I tried to tell Jay this is how it was going to play. None of y'all should be surprised because they told Jay from Jump Street. Jay was told out rip. What was he told? They already decided I kept telling people, everybody's like, well, they're definitely going to make them tell now. That's why Jay-Z, see, remember I told you I was going to tell y'all where his lawyers fucked up? When they did that motherfucking, this is how I know that wasn't that bitch. Because the judge even tells them, y'all let her stay anonymous. So if you let her stay anonymous and then you're using everything that she said, why can't you do that in this case? Why can't you let her stay anonymous and use everything in this case? That's where they fucked up. But see, if they would have put some chick up there and we got to see who it wasn't going to be the actual chick and they would have got in trouble for it. So I love how the judge flipped that on their heads. Like, no, y'all, you just wrote all these motions. And I remember, I looked it up. It was 19. We counted. It was 19 times he said NBC in that motion. 19 times. And the judge like, well, she was on NBC as anonymous. And you didn't need to know who she was. And you used all of that shit that you was hearing. Now you want to come over here and you want to use that NBC shit as you're telling us that she needs to be, we need to let you know who she is in this instance. Hoo-wee. Hey, Scott Johnson, that is a very good watch. Hey, Random, you gonna have some. We probably about 3 weeks away from you really having some content. I just want to put just putting something in the air. You may be about 3 weeks away from you getting some real content. And when I say some real content, all right, never mind. I'm probably lying. John Luna, Merry Christmas. And it got one time, John Luna says, you're still the best at covering recent news events. Still love your perspective and how to in layman terms. Belated Merry Christmas and early Happy New Year, LNC squad. Break in the Methuselah! Break in the fucking Methuselahs. Cause this one's gonna hurt, Randall. This one's gonna hurt him. If I was Jay-Z, I would get new lawyers. I ain't gonna lie. What am I keeping these niggas around for? You told me that we could do all this shit and this would run this bitch off and we was gonna win these motions. You told me all that shit. Now we done lost. You feel me? Now we done lost. Everything you told me didn't work. I can't wait to see what the Breakfast Club got to say. They just, bro, and the Breakfast Club is another one. They was Mr. and Mrs. Me Tooville. Me too, me too, me too. Soon Jay-Z is his turn. Now it's like, I don't know. Yeah, me too, but yes. You know I'm gonna be on it. I'm one behind. I need to watch your last one. I'm one behind, but I'm gonna catch up on both because yeah, bro, P. Rico is my favorite character in all of that shit. P. Rico is my favorite fucking character in all of that shit. Yeah, and I wish, and that's the other thing with Jay-Z. Thank you, T-Love, because that's something I've never understood with Jay, where I'm just like, look, nigga, if that nigga, you know that nigga's not your kid, why would you not just take the test to prove it? It's a simple test. This nigga's not your kid. This nigga not your kid. Take the test and it's a wrap. But for some reason, you don't want to take that motherfucker. I wonder why. We watched him the other night. Rule number 5. I forget it. I be forgetting Buddy's name. No disrespect. Just watched him the other night. I want to believe that it's not, because here's the thing where I was like, okay, Jay ain't got to just answer the random shit. But the thing was, they had it all set up and ready to go. And it was between him and another nigga, and the other nigga didn't come out to be like Jay had already agreed to all this shit. Then all of a sudden, Jay didn't agree to the shit no more. And then I found out that his mom was like 16 when she had him, and like Jay-Z fucked her when she was 16. I was like, oh, so that's why you denying the paternity. It ain't cause you worried about this nigga and his money. Nigga, you going through a fuck. People talking about how you like younger girls now. It was just you know. It is what it is. It is what it is. Foxy Brown was 15, 16. Like, again, I went over all this shit. With Foxy Brown, Aaliyah, all this shit. And it was just like, everybody just kind of ignored it. These were just like, you know, don't look over here. Yeah, she was young and all these things, but y'all just be looking into shit too deep and, you know, all of that fuck shit. You know what I mean? But that's the way this shit been, though. And that's the way it's going to continue to be. That's what I told y'all. He didn't do a song talking about I love women. I love girls, 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 girls. We showed you how he got with motherfucking Beyonce early in the game. Y'all just be ignoring the shit. And there's not much when you ignoring the shit, what can I do? The shit be right in your face. I just showed you how Beyonce be right in your face, throwing up all that satanic shit, and y'all just act like it's nothing. Y'all just pretend as if it's nothing. Blinded by fandom. That's an awesome way to put it, because what else is it? The judge ain't blinded. All y'all niggas been mad at. I didn't even expect so many people to be mad at me about quote unquote going at Jay-Z. Where I'm like, what do you mean I'm going at Jay-Z? Like, what is it that I'm missing? Like, this nigga ain't nowhere near in the realm of any of us. Jay-Z's nowhere in the realm of any of us. He ain't never been there's no proof that he was ever a regular nigga on any level. A regular person on any level. He swore he sold all this dope, but there's literally no record of it. He ain't never been so much as questioned on a dope charge. And then y'all niggas be sitting here acting like Jay-Z, like, man, you going at Jay-Z, man. Why you gotta be tearing down one of our brothers? What the fuck are you talking about? I watched Jay-Z sit there with a whole room full of white men and go, we past kneeling. Y'all didn't say shit to that. He literally dissed all black people. Y'all niggas was all behind Colin Kaepernick and that fake ass afro. Y'all was all with that shit. Then that nigga, then Jay-Z, man, we're past kneeling, back to actionable items. Like that nigga, Jay-Z, I don't even believe in that whole shit. I don't believe in the whole selling out to the white man. I believe in selling out to the devil. But if I'm gonna play that whole selling out to the white man narrative, who has sold out more than Jay-Z? At least Diddy always try to position himself to be the owner of some shit, whether behind the scenes he did. Like, even though he didn't own Ciroc, he got a deal to let it be like he do. Jay-Z, all of his fucking deals, he's just blatantly up under a white man. You don't never hear Jay-Z talking about owning his own shit or nothing. He didn't own Rockefeller. He didn't even fucking own Reasonable Doubt. Arguably, what people think is Jay-Z's best album just got sold on the market and not by him. He ain't never owned shit. His shoes came out on the Reebok. All of that shit. It's always something with Jay. Always. Jazzy, Merry Christmas. Matt, yeah, he's an NBA owner, but he owned the least amount, and it's not even enough to do anything. It's literally anybody that knows they just did that for promotion. They're like, we'll give you this fake ownership position as promotion. Because what changes with the Brooklyn Nets happened under the tutelage of Jay-Z? None. What like when he tried to be an agent with Rock Nation Sports and all this other shit, like, bro, he's always up under somebody. Always. The Duce and all of that shit, we found out that's not like his, that's up under another fucking brand. It's always something with this nigga, bro. It's always something. And a lot of people don't even be paying attention. It's always something with this nigga Jay, bro. But it ain't never his. It's always clearly owned by somebody else, though. Clearly owned by somebody else. If Jay-Z's not a Fed, then what is he? You kind of feel what I'm saying? That's why I feel like sitting back kind of watching what he going through right now, I'm just like, Jay, this is like clearer than ever that you in some shit, nigga. For me personally, it's like clearer than ever that you like caught up in some shit because you've never been pressed like this. You start freaking out and then this judge comes out and they not fucking with you. Fig in the cut one time. Ladies, break out the Methuselah. Tony, when up under the tutelage of Jay-Z, what the fuck did the Brooklyn Nets do? That's all I want to know. Because this just feels like Jay-Z. Remember, soon as Diddy was starting to get popped, Jay didn't say shit. And that was weird to me. I'm like, so you not gonna say shit? You not gonna say shit for Diddy. And then now, what if this was a whole ploy from Diddy? Because Jay-Z done showed his hand. Ain't nobody trusting Jay-Z. Anybody else know some Jay-Z secrets and shit like that? They don't trust this nigga. I just sat here and watched this nigga flip on Diddy, bro. Diddy ain't said nothing. Diddy got accused by the same chick and everything. And Diddy just took the shit and he going through the process. He ain't even trying to unmask or none of that shit. But here come Jay in the room. Excuse me. I'm nothing like Diddy. Oh, that was Diddy. He cited so many cases, including Diddy, and I'm just like, wow. He cited Harvey Weinstein cases. He cited the case with Cassie, bro. You want to know how dirty that is? That you get pinched. And to try to get yourself out of it, you gonna mention a case where your homeboy was caught on camera beating a bitch. Diabolical work. Feds go to jail too. This is right. But the thing about it that Jay don't understand is he don't realize he can fall out of the good graces. He don't be understanding as like, Jay, you can fall out of the good graces of this shit, bro. Yeah, you could be the Feds golden boy one day and then the next day they don't fuck with you, bro. I've seen them do it. In my AR ad voice. I seen them do it. And so now you've put Diddy into a golden position. Diddy is in a golden position right now because all Diddy got to do is just kick back on some. All right, then. What do y'all want to know about Jay? I'll tell you whatever the fuck you want to know about that nigga. Because I ain't gonna lie to you, Jay-Z. If Diddy get out, the first thing I'm gonna think, if he get bail, the first thing I'm gonna think is, what did he tell them about you? Was Dolly at them parties too? Good question. I doubt it. She like The shit she was the type of cult shit she involved in, that shit was way before Bad Boy, so she got some other shit. If Diddy get bail here soon, he told on Jay, and there's nothing you can tell me. And I know some of y'all, man, Diddy would never tell. Nigga, I guess. I don't know how you could say that. I don't even know why. Anybody who would tell me that, bro, Diddy would never tell. That's pretty much conversation over. Because you're a fucking idiot. I'm going to keep that a bean. Yeah, Dolly Parton is a whole madam. Would not surprise me. Well, yeah, a lot of other channels gonna stop reporting on Jay because they can't spin this shit. I mean, remember, I just showed y'all how Academics got on his fucking knees and apologized to these niggas. I'm still in awe of that. Chat, Jay-Z, greatest rapper of all time. I don't want that smoke. Chat, we don't want that smoke. Chat, Rock Nation hit different. Chat. This nigga, bro. Jay-Z called that nigga and got his mind right, nigga. They called that nigga, was like, nigga, we will expose your fat ass. Of course, Beyonce did the gun gesture, which is banned, along with, like, she did several banned end zone dances. I saw a nigga get a 15-yard penalty because he lifted his shirt, and they said that he lifted his shirt to pretend that he was brandishing a firearm. And I was like, man, y'all niggas are just getting out of control with this shit, bro. Academics like, man, he's destroying Busby. I don't hear none of y'all niggas now. Oh, now y'all niggas are celebrating Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Face asses. But I watched that whole satanic ass shit. I watched Beyonce get lifted out of a fucking arena on the cross on Jesus' birthday. I hope Satan gave you some extra points for that, but y'all niggas is going to hell, bro. Beyonce, you better get your life right. Like Uncle Ron said, Jay-Z and Beyonce will climb over anybody to get to the top. What are chances that he's passed now when he was starting to talk? At least in the cut one time. They don't want to hear this. They don't be wanting to hear this. But this shit don't surprise me. I watch a judge have Christmas Day and then get up the next motherfucking morning and break Jay-Z's face wide the fuck open. Which, here's what I know about the judge, and maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. One thing I do know is the judge waited. She waited, nigga. She had this done and it was just like, I'm gonna just drop this shit in another couple days. Chadrick, what's happening? She did steal Chuck's call sign. Bang. She did jack that. Wait, Act got court on January 8th? It just doesn't surprise me. And he said it, bro. He said he talked to Spiro and all that shit. Like, the shit don't surprise me. The shit don't surprise me like you think it would. Especially with this fool. His YouTube supporters are saying that this is not a loss. She got anonymity for now. Bro, okay. The judge woke up the day after Christmas just to crack your face open. Your wife was all over the internet the night before, nigga. And then the judge said, fuck Beyonce, fuck all that Texas shit. This bitch want to be demon time, put Jesus. Bro, I can't take it off the table that the judge didn't see Beyonce on the cross last night and was like, you know what? Fuck them. I'm dropping this shit tomorrow. So ordered. These motherfuckers, this bitch want to be on the cross. So ordered. It is so ordered. Outrageous. Baca got a weird case. Why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Hey, and Ack used that shit. That nigga was like, but he got a weird case. Why is he around? Well, Ack, remember when you was sucking Spiro's dick, talking about all that was just such a good strategy? And yeah, remember, academics said that Spiro embarrassed Busby to the point where if you come to a courtroom with a legitimate rape case and they know that Busby's your lawyer, they still gonna throw it out. I'm not bullshitting. This is what he said. He said that Spiro embarrassed Busby so much that if you even have a valid rape allegation against somebody, if you come in there with Busby, they throwing the shit out. Well, the judge said academics don't know what the fuck he's talking about. As a matter of fact, I need you to cut some of that bullshit out. Number one. And number two, she will stay anonymous because when y'all were quoting this NBC bullshit, she was anonymous in that shit. So I don't know who the fuck y'all was talking to. So if that shit was good then, it's good over here now. I think the judge was fair in her assessment. He got that call from Rock Nation. I mean, the fucking chat, his own chat embarrassed him. When them motherfuckers called him Glazademics, they was in the chat like, yeah, he got that Rock Nation call. Like nobody of his own chat was believing him. That's when you know it's bad. When you it's one thing for people on the outside to really call you a liar and shit like that. When your own following in unison is destroying you in the chat, the only time you're supposed to get destroyed by your chat is if your mic's off. Whole chat yelling at you because you mute. That's about it. Other than that, nigga, your chat, you ain't never supposed to lose the upper hand on the chat, nigga. And boy, did he do that. That 13-year-old girl didn't get any mercy, so why should he? Well, I think it's a little deeper than that. It's just that, I mean, from reading what the lawyer wrote, it ain't even about like giving Jay-Z a level of mercy that we wouldn't extend to somebody else some shit. It's about, hey, nigga, we got a procedure and process for all this shit. And I know you the great big Sean Carter and shit, but that don't mean that we're going to ignore everything and ignore procedures and all these things. And we're not taking it to something that's supposed to take 21 days and letting it take 1 day because your lawyer said so. And I think the lawyer or the judge was very clear of that. We not just getting in here and hurrying this shit up because you said so, nigga. You ain't running shit. You not running a damn thing. And I think that's fair. I truly think that's fair. Just like Mr. Zesty be talking nonstop on his chat roasting him. With monkey shit on his sleeve. Y'all niggas be doing too much. That's not even the same thing. That nigga, y'all be talking about that nigga like he is like even comparable. Like to put him with academics, is that like this nigga ain't got, this nigga has nothing, bro. This nigga is nothing. Even now, even with the makeup of our channel right now, the bulk of people don't even know who the fuck that is or care. That's how fucking sad a lot of shit has become on all sides, including that one. But when you worship the devil and you like doing a whole bunch of demon shit, then you get demon prizes. You get demon prizes. Jay-Z did all that shit talking about his kids and all this shit, and the judge was like, I don't give a fuck, bro. Tell your lawyer to stop filing all that bullshit, nigga. And the answer is no. She's staying anonymous, nigga, so y'all can fucking kick rocks. Nah, I think everybody gonna take a late charge on it tomorrow because this is a L. Only way that people was coming today, like had the judge ruled that she was to be exposed on who she is, everybody would be reporting on it. But now now that they got their face broke, they didn't get their way, everybody pretend they don't see it. Not surprising. It's the willful ignoring of truth and absolute dedication to their lie. Facts. And I'm sure they'll come out. Here, I'll do a quick once over check. But I'm sure these niggas will come out. Hold on right quick. All right, I'm back. Had to ask my wife for a favor. Especially since it makes all the sense now. He only notices that Jay-Z satanic because his wife is white. Or his wife is white. Y'all niggas still surprised about that nigga? Y'all need to give it up. Y'all niggas out here caping for Jay. This shit's bad for y'all. Oh, the Star Report bitch ass is live. Hey, nigga, I love it. You getting ready to lose your fucking channel. I love punk ass niggas like him. As a matter of fact, Star Report will be getting some bad news tomorrow. It's not gonna be a good Friday for him. It's actually gonna be a bad Friday for him. The same way that they court working, that's how I'm gonna be doing. I'm actually filing some new shit on that bitch ass nigga tomorrow. This nigga's still in the background trying to get my channel disabled, and they just keep telling him we're not doing it, bro. But he don't realize that they keep showing me everything that he keeps saying. And it's bad. It's bad and he down bad. But I see why, because he looks at me as competition, I guess. I don't know why it would be his competition. You got 280,000 subscribers, nigga. You be having like 3,000-4,000 people in your live. That's what, bro, I don't be having time with 25 people in my live to be doing the shit that certain niggas do. This nigga, Star Report, this nigga is obsessed with me, nigga. He tries to file something on me almost every fucking day, and they tell him no. And then they send it to me every time. This nigga be trying to get my videos taken down because he mad at me. Like, this nigga be like, you can't mention me, and I told him that you can suck my dick. I'm literally in the process of suing him right now. He think this shit a game. He think this shit's a whole game. Because he got mad that I exposed him. Because, see, he be on YouTube. And since he's been on YouTube, a lot of people don't know about his sins of the past. So I started exposing the fuck out of that nigga. That nigga saw it for real. He was begging YouTube to take videos down. This nigga tried to be like, he lied to YouTube and told him, like, that thumbnail that he's using, he stole that thumbnail from me. He doesn't realize what he be writing. He be writing shit where he be like, that's mine. I own all of that. And they be like, okay, how do you own this shit with Shay's logo on it? You definitely don't own it. It got Shay's logo on it. So I don't know if y'all have ever paid attention. I don't know if y'all have ever paid attention. Every fucking thumbnail says it's brought to you by, what's that little thing? What's that little thing? My logo. So you can't sit here and be like, I use your shit. No, this is my shit. Even if your face is on it, it's my shit. It ain't my job to be teaching these niggas with 280,000 subscribers the law. It's my job to exercise the law. As I eat my Ferrero Rocher. That motherfucker's fire. Oh, he's just some old peon nigga. He's definitely ain't nobody important to me. But if you want to check his channel out for historical purposes, do that. Because his channel won't be there. How much money you want to bet me that the Star Report, 280,000 subscribers, does not make it to 2026? I'm taking all action. Who wants some of that action? I'm taking all. Matter of fact, I'll do you one better. What type of money you want to bet me that the Star Report investigating advocate with Jedediah Brown and Moneyboy Trey don't make it to 26? I'm taking all action. I'm taking all action. It's done, Scott Johnson. I want my crispy. I want my crispy. No, I don't think, not that they won't be popular. Their channels will be terminated. Let me be specific. Their channels will be terminated. They won't be on the platform. But I'm going to be sitting here with a little more cash than I already got, tripping off you because you had your shot. With my skin tanned and my hair long and my fans who've been so patient. Me and 40 back to work and we still smell like a vacation. This bitch is on the cross. J-Rock. Merry Christmas. My thing is knowing the allegations that's out. Is the wearing white a taunt? It looks like they're saying, yes, we was there and what? Yeah, I know a lot of people making a lot of cross from them wearing the white to like a white party thing, but that's like a satanic ritual thing too. They like to show the purity and shit, especially when you making a sacrifice. Remember, I showed y'all they carried Beyonce like a sacrifice. As soon as they put her down, they threw the sixes up. I mean, and Dame Dash is running around talking more shit about Jay than ever. Yeah, didn't nobody have shit to say today. Everybody will kind of say something tomorrow. But everybody's just playing, oh, this is Christmas time. Oh, I feel you. Which is why I'm giving you an extra day. I'll give you an extra day. The DJ who don't DJ. Academics was better when he was actually reporting on news. When he was doing the short, Academics used to do short videos about rappers and shit like that. When he started fucking with 6ix9ine, that was the beginning of the end. And since the end of 6ix9ine, he ain't recovered. He's not respected at all. He can't even get Drake to come on this show. And Academics was put on by Lucian Grange and brags about it. And you want to talk about some shit I would never brag about, and that's being put on by Lucian Grange. That's not some shit you brag about. That situation is a deny. Hit the like button. Hit the PayPal Cash App link so we hit our $20 goal today. It only took me 2 hours to remember to do it today, but we're here. He promoted drill music, and he going to jail for SA2. I mean, he did more than promote drill music. Academics' war on Chirac was something different. It wasn't just the promotion of drill music. It was literally this nigga pumping up the murders. Academics is one of the biggest reasons drill became popular. Because he wasn't, so you know how, like, I make a report on some shit from Chicago, and I'm not going to be sitting here gassing these niggas up. You feel me? Academics was gassing these niggas up. Academics be sitting here pumping these niggas up. These niggas would kill, allegedly do stone cold murders. Niggas would do a video rapping somewhere, and Academics would talk about it and be like, are we just gonna let him do that? What was he calling Reese? He called Reese like the Grim Reaper. Like, he was giving niggas names, like giving them niggas clout that they had never seen before. From them being on demon shit. Academics was helping them get a level of clout from being on demon shit that they never had seen before. And it was just all types of shit where it was like, he wasn't just reporting on the war in Chirac. He was talking about these niggas like they was NPCs. And then you got niggas like, the only person who got a chance to remotely press him was Vic Mensa, who Vic Mensa sold out. Vic Mensa worked for the Democratic Party. I saw Vic Mensa on that top things that black men are talking about when they vote for president or whatever the fuck that was. And then one of the top things was what black women want, which I'm like, why would... Never mind. I ain't... Carefree in the cut one time. Ladies shall break out the Methuselahs. So, and this is coming from me. I don't have no problem with the jokes. But y'all know with me, I'm a joke, and then I'm going to put that shit to the side so you can understand the real. Or even if my joke is over the top, it's encased in the real. Like, I ain't sitting here and giving these niggas, like, glorious nicknames and all of this shit. Like, and that's just what, and this is why I gotta sit here and see with these young ass niggas, and then I'm supposed to take these niggas seriously. I'm supposed to take these niggas seriously. There's no God in them that they are aware of. God is ever present and could help them out if they took it seriously, but obviously they don't. Right. He was making them niggas like superheroes. I remember I used to watch this shit like, it was, bro, I watched it for the content of what it was. The part that I hated the most about when I was watching it was academics. I'm like, oh my God, this nigga's so cringy, bro. Like, this nigga's so fucking cringy with this shit. But academics is also the same nigga that ran to the studio to tell everybody that he was facing sexual assault. He ran to tell everybody that he was facing sexual assault before his girl did it. I still never understood that strategy. I never understood. It was like, so my girl thinks she's about to expose me for this possible rape I'm dealing with. Ha 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 ha. I'll tell y'all before she do. Even though you just let her tell it and then call her crazy, right? And everybody believe you. It's like, yeah, I'm dealing with this shit, but it ain't like that, blah, blah, blah. But no, like, that nigga went down there, and then when he's sitting there telling the story, I was like, oh, man, you actually raped that girl. At least that's what it feels like to me. Because what is this? What do you mean? What is this, act? Wait, you watched the video of your homie fucking them, running a train on her. You then show her the footage, so you watch it again while showing her. And then when she hits you and goes, hey, I need that footage because I'm trying to file a rape case. Now you say, I don't even want to watch. Why would you want me to watch this shit? I ain't trying to see that shit. Then she says that she woke up with you on top of her. You leave that part out, even though you actually tell the story of how you went in there. You went in there when she was out. I was listening to his shit. I just couldn't believe it. It was about a year ago today when that shit happened. It was either a year ago today or a couple days after today. It was right before the calendar changed, where it was just like, damn, Ack, you got caught up like this. You got caught up like this, and you told on yourself. You came on the air and told everybody that you facing a rape charge, and the type of rape charge that sounds this bad. And Tony Busby just had the most merriest Christmas ever, bro. And Jay-Z. Here's how I know. Just to put another. Here's how I know what Beyonce on, nigga. Jay-Z wasn't there yesterday. But ain't Jay-Z always at the NFL shit and the performance and shit? Jay, you mean to tell me you were scared to come in Busby backyard? Busby got you shook like that, Jay-Z? You can't go to Houston, nigga? Oh, I know that's your wife's hometown, but that's also Busby's town too, nigga. And Busby let the court know they not so kind on you city slickers. And remember, this L that Jay-Z just took, this is that New York case. He got a whole Texas case with Busby where he getting ready. Like, remember, we may be finding out that Jay-Z and them sent niggas out. Remember, they supposedly caught some niggas out or caught some niggas on tape trying to get niggas to sue Busby. So even though this was a massive L for Spiro, they are not out of the clear yet. They are not out of the clear yet. I just want to make sure we understand this. I appreciate that, Carefree. It's love. I was hearing he wasn't there. Even if he was there and he was hiding, that's another dub for Busby. Because I'm gonna keep it a buck. Here's why Jay-Z should not have went. Here's why Jay-Z should not have went. This is real talk. If I'm Busby, I'm worth $50 million, so I got bread. I have PIs all over that motherfucker. I'm paying fucking event staff. All types of shit. Because I'm not paying you to rig a game. No, I just want you to keep an eye out on certain shit. I'd had all types of PIs all in the crowd. Everything. And it would have been easy to get somebody on the crew because of how many people they have to use. There'd literally just be a nigga that they would have just following Jay-Z, bro. Even with that, so just for the record, that if he was there and we didn't see him, that don't mean that Busby didn't have eyes on him the whole time. Busby got bread. He got enough money to do. We talking about just one building. I don't need you to follow Jay-Z around. I just need you to follow him around here. What you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff Busby come for you? Boom, boom. Tell me what you wanna do. Chad, y'all better not jack this game off. It looks like y'all getting ready to. It looks like y'all getting ready to, Chad. Oh man, y'all getting ready to jack this game off to the Trailblazers, bro. And I don't know what, bro. If I'm Jay-Z, I'm on the phone cussing Spiro out. I'm not gonna hold you. You bitch ass nigga, I listen to you. You bitch ass nigga, I listen to you. And now look what the fuck done happened. Man, they ain't even got to do all that. And it could just be a motherfucker. I would just kind of have them follow Jay-Z, quote unquote, publicly. If you know what I'm saying. Like, I wouldn't even have them niggas hiding like that. I would want him to feel me if I'm Busby. I'd have just paid a gang of people. Look, here's some shit I'd have did as Busby. I'd have just paid a gang of people to walk around with my shirt on. Think about how uncomfortable that would have been, Jay-Z and Beyonce just seeing all types of people at Texas Stadium with Busby shirts on. Busby ain't got to say shit. That's letting a nigga feel you. That's letting a nigga feel you. Pay a nigga, look, we giving out 20,000 Busby shirts, 100,000 Busby shirts, nigga. Said send LIA to follow Jay. Nah, because he got that spirit that will get him killed. That's not government. I have a right to film you, Jay-Z. Jay-Z gonna mush that nigga just like... Sir, why are you touching me, nigga? They just gonna flex. Jay-Z, I have the right to film you. Keep on. Keep on. Yep. I mean, it's all types of shit. And Busby could have done some shit, but Busby looked like a G today. Beyonce, and then this is what sucks for them. Beyonce didn't even get 24 hours in the news cycle, nigga. That's some shit that I know is pissing her off. This is supposed to be about the quote unquote Beyonce Bowl and all this shit, nigga. And not even 24 hours later, nigga. Remember, I told y'all yesterday, if you stop by me just saying what's up to everybody, I told y'all yesterday, like, what we talking about Beyonce tomorrow? Before I can even get on the air, Jay-Z. Before I could even get on the air, Jay-Z. Lisa, I didn't either. But while I was live on air, something, which I think is the Lord, told me to watch it. Which I know to be the Lord after I watched it, for sure, because of all the satanic imagery that he wanted me to expose. This bitch was on the cross yesterday, and then Jay-Z back on the cross today, I guess. Rhonda, Merry Christmas. Suing Busby for having a crunch bar is definitely crazy work. This nigga dick looked like a fucking Star Crunch, and they tried to sue him over it. That's outrageous. I looked at how many views her last halftime performance had. I was like, only 6 million. Rate Beyonce's look on a scale of 1 to 5. For the halftime show. I'm gonna give the look like I give it like a 2. I'm just not into the whole Taylor Swift leg thing. Like, them Taylor Swift legs are not attractive to me. Them, like, Beyonce ain't got thighs. Those look like mannequin legs. Chad, just chill. Just sit back, sir. You're doing too much. She looks padded. Like, I don't, like, I just, I ain't feeling it. Like, cowgirls, like, we talking about cowgirl outfits, nigga. Do you not know how sexy cowgirl outfits can look, bro? And we not just talking about on white girls. Like, any girls, if they got the right cowgirl outfits. And this wasn't it. This wasn't it. Then all her body positive dancers, nigga. I don't give a fuck about them big bitches. They trying to give her credit for 27 million viewers. Not surprising. That liposuction makes that square waist. Oof. That's why she always got to try to stand at an angle. You can always notice when girls ain't got no real thighs or ass, because they always got to try to stand at an angle to make it look like they got a little bump somewhere. No, you don't. No, you don't. This bitch is the queen of keeping bitches single. I stand on that. I only like Beyonce when she was with Destiny's Child. Man, some of y'all girls lying like a motherfucker, bro. Y'all bitches know y'all was putting our shit to the left. Now y'all trying to pretend y'all didn't. Beyonce, bro, the greatest trick Beyonce ever did was single ladies. She had y'all bitches remain single for her at the end of this fucking song to show y'all she got a ring. Rose was happening. Merry Christmas. Chris Kohler, Merry Christmas. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now put your hands up. Oh. And then you fuck around, stole that whole dance routine from some old white bitches. Stole the whole damn. When I saw she stole that from them old white bitches, I was done, bro. I couldn't believe Beyonce jacked them old white women, bro. I mean, I'm telling you, when this was one where I was just like, Jay-Z, you and Beyonce are made for each other. Nigga, you be stealing bars. This bitch be stealing choreography, nigga. Remember, she steals the show in more ways than one, apparently. Oh. And y'all bitches like, yeah, fuck you, nigga. We not getting married. You gotta treat me like I'm Beyonce. Bitch, she don't even get treated like she Beyonce. You think she's being treated right now like she's Beyonce, nigga? They told this, remember, she's supposed to be this strong, independent woman. And they told her, bitch, you better not say shit about Jay when you go anywhere. As a matter of fact, you can't talk on TV no more right now. But y'all swear that Beyonce's this strong, independent woman that's in control of shit. This bitch ain't running shit, bro. Bro, y'all, nigga, my bitch in way more control of her situation than Beyonce ever could be in. Most of y'all listening to me right now in more control of y'all situations than Beyonce could ever be in control of hers. Beyonce got y'all think she's this strong woman that, nigga, the whole lemonade shit was a humiliation ritual for her and Jay. See, people forget that it was her and Jay. Because remember, she's being humiliated because Jay-Z cheated on the great Beyonce. How the fuck you cheat on Beyonce? Bitch, you stole that shit, nigga. You jacked these old white women for this shit, and they did this shit better than y'all. Y'all ain't shit, nigga. Rue McClanahan and them killed that shit, and y'all hoes just jacked it from her. Rue McClanahan and her homies and Beyonce they just straight stole that shit, nigga. No shame, these niggas. No shame. Y'all stole this shit from these bitches, bro. Outrageous. She look like Sammy Sosa now. I'm getting ready to get off the phone. Y'all just straight stole they shit, nigga. Just straight stole they shit, nigga. Those are men in that Beyonce video. I'm gonna let you have it, Whitney. I'm gonna let you have it. I'm not gonna argue. Just no shame, these niggas, bro. To be honest with you. At least she could have gave her some credit. That's not really what she do, bro. I mean, and I'm sorry. The chicks on the left do it better, bro. They did it better. I don't give a fuck what you say, nigga. They murdered y'all, bro. She just like Jay-Z, nigga. Well, Jazz lost. Y'all niggas is fucking terrible, bro. Man. And here's the thing. Here's my bold prediction for 2025. It's about to be a reckoning on a lot of y'all, nigga. Oh, yeah. It's about to be a reckoning. What do I mean? Negro. You do understand that. Now that y'all niggas got caught up in 2024, now 2025 is when sentencings and all this shit come down. Diddy, this might not be a good year for you. Jay, this is about to start off bad for you. Some niggas is getting ready to go sit down. I think Jay-Z in trouble. I've been trying to reserve and not really go there with it. I think Jay in trouble. Because I felt like he was acting out of character with the way he was going off about this shit. I really did. And now I'm looking at this whole situation. I'm like, you did all of that showing out, going off, being loud in a way you never are, and you still lost. And you still lost. I can't wait to see. I'm giving everybody till Monday. But I'm telling you, I can't wait to see y'all niggas explain how Jay-Z took such a massive loss and how the judge ain't feeling none of Spiro's bully tactics. I'm ready to hear explanations on all of this. Imagine if Jay lose weight like Diddy. Jay getting ready to cut his hair off. I got a feeling Jay gonna cut his. If Jay-Z was smart, he'd cut his hair off before going to court for sure. I hope he's not that stupid. Bruh, everybody and their mama know they would tell their people, cut that shit off. You can't go to court with that shit. Jay-Z getting ready to go to court with that shit on. So I think Jay in his best interest, he got to cut that shit off. He got to cut that off. Getting cooked by a quote-unquote 1-800 lawyer is crazy work. That's what I'm saying. Y'all did all that shit trying to make him look so bad and all this shit, and in the end, this is what happens. In the end, the judge tells you that you making inflammatory remarks, this shit is inappropriate, all this shit, man. Your demon time ain't working. Jay-Z and his Battlefield Earth hairstyle. Well, what people keep telling me is he just wanted to have the hairstylings of a gay painter. Because that makes all the sense. Merry Christmas, awake. I just don't even know. I'm just kind of at a loss for all of this shit at this juncture. But this is Jay-Z. He built this lure up of he was too good to talk to everybody and all this shit, and that's what he got now. So I don't feel sorry for this nigga. This is who he wanted me to believe he was. This nigga that was just above the law in every way, and you got it, bro. No argument for me. You gets no argument from me. You got it. Janice, what's happening? Shout out to Bob. Mufasa. Yeah, okay. Beyonce's definitely played out, and I think she knows that too, which is why she's trying this whole fucking country crossover shit. And I'm like, anything's possible. You know what I mean? I don't like country music, so I wouldn't even sit here and try to arrogantly tell you if Beyonce is what y'all want. But I will say this, like, just because she came out there with Post Malone, that should make y'all question him, but whatever. I just don't know how receptive the cowboy audience, if you know what I mean. And I don't mean that as like some fancy way of dissing white people. I'm just really talking about the cowboy. There's black cowboys, Mexican cowboys, all this shit. And it's like, I don't really see them all being like, you know, we are welcoming Beyonce in this space. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't think I've already heard enough, bro. When I heard Shabuzi sing, I was like, this is embarrassing. I was like, so I see what y'all doing with the Shabuzi nigga. Y'all just like, we can just get anybody that's black and we'll just get them to be whoever the fuck and market that. Because the Shabuzi shit is hilarious. I heard that nigga at the Lions game and I was like, this nigga can't sing for shit. He really can't sing. Kayla, nah, Merry Christmas. Whites only pies. So you said about 35 miles? About 35 miles. Why wear a crouch revealing outfit for Christmas? The same reason why you would get lifted on the cross. Kind of the way I look at it, at least. Why else would I get lifted on a fucking cross? On Jesus' birthday, she got lifted out of the arena on a cross. Like, of all the shit I've heard in my lifetime, that's one of the boldest. It's the bold blasphemy for me. She ascended on a cross. That just lets me know all I need to know about you and what you be thinking. And she didn't say nothing to Jesus on his birthday, but she did thank her God. But that's how they trick y'all. They thank God. Y'all just don't know what God they thanking is the messed up part. I know that sounds sinister and all that shit, but it's some sinister shit. That's kind of how that should be. Because that's why a lot of them won't really bring up Jesus and say Jesus Christ, because that's how they play the game, the word game. J-Lo, I got a feeling that you're not going to get away scot-clean in this shit either. I know you probably already paid your money, but I got a feeling that ain't going to matter, boo. So sorry. So sorry to break that news to you, but that's kind of how I feel in this situation. It's a cold game, bro. It's a cold game. The court schedules are about to be ugly as hell. I mean, we saw what they just did to Diddy, nigga. That was outrageous. Diddy was looking like a fucking vagrant. Did y'all see that Kim K video? That was so weird. What Kim K video? Be a little more specific, please. Angela, what's happening? She also made the gun gesture with her hand before the bang sign came down. Players get fined. And, oh, yeah. In that same game, somebody got fined for lifting up their shirt. And they was like, that was you brandishing a firearm. And it's like, but I've always wondered why they want to ban gun celebrations when we all know that one of the biggest sports for Republicans is fucking football. That's like a real like Republican type sport, if you will. And it's like, or I don't even want to say Republican, just we'll just say that NFL is a Second Amendment sport. It's just weird to be in Texas telling a nigga that he can't do a gun celebration when they got mascots at schools that be having pistols. Oh, wow. What? Jay Nivey just hit a 4-point play for game? There's no way I'm reading that right. They were down 3. Jay Nivey makes the 3 and gets fouled. Oh, wow. Shocking. Shocking. I mean, but Kim K is a satanic bitch, though. So that those type of things don't even surprise me. What the fuck? Hold on, wait. Just wait a second. Wait a minute. We gotta check this out. Wait a damn minute. Just wait a damn minute. Hold on. Because First of all, she looks weird. So is it in to be like white girls now? Like everybody wants like blonde hair now? Is that like, or is that where we at now? I'm just asking. Cause it's like, it's more people than blonde, white girls with blonde hair now. And it's sad. And it's sad. This Kim Kardashian shit looks creepy. And apparently Macaulay Culkin's in it. Yeah, this shit looks... I'm trying to get this shit popping. This shit looks creepy. And Macaulay Culkin looked like a fucking dope fiend. All right, man. Fuck it.
Tactical nuke incoming!
All right. What the fuck is this?
Heifer.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Get up!
What in the fucking satanic sacrifice shit going on here? These hoes playing Twister in heels? One eye symbolism. Oh, come on in. Is this a goat?
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Ass. Oh no! Oh, them butt shots are terrible, nigga. Oh no! Oh no! Whew. You niggas fucking with the fake booty. I feel sorry for y'all, nigga. Ooh. Oh. That shit is outrageous, nigga. Oh no. Whew. Oh, that shit ain't supposed to unfold like that. Your booty ain't never supposed to be folded up like that, nigga. Nigga. Them fucking butt shots. And ass still ain't even fat like that. Y'all be swearing this bitch is so bad, nigga. She is just not.
So Rick is so wild and has went so far off the meter. It's shit that I can't even tell you on TV.
I mean, you know, for the sake of our friendship, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna bring it up. But trust me, he's went there. He has went where it's like, yo, Rick, man, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? You done took this shit too far. And his response is like this. There's no such place. Darkness. Let's go to the abyss, nigga. I'm not with it, man. I don't want to go to the abyss, man. You know what I'm saying? Rick wants to go to the abyss. In fact, he dwells in the abyss. Rick James dwells in the abyss, okay? And he wants company sometimes, you know? And for some reason, he likes to reach out for me. Whenever I'm around, when he wants to go there, he will reach out for me to try to take me to the abyss with him. And I'm not with it, man. I'm not with it. And that's when we end up, you know, tussling or whatever, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
That's fire.
But it's me though. I be looking too much into this shit. They being satanic. Come on, Shay. Look what she was doing before Jesus shows up. Being a whore. This bitch was twerking in front of Jesus. Why did y'all wait till his birthday to start disrespecting him like this? Nobody wants to be disrespected on their birthday, bro. Nobody wants to be disrespected on their birthday, and y'all disrespect Jesus on his? This is crazy. Twerking in front of Jesus on his birthday is some dirty work, bro. Nasty, diabolical work. Yeesh. Whore, you're an abomination. This bitch is on drugs, nigga. There's nothing you could tell me. This whore is on drugs. She wet than a Fent doggy dog, nigga. Boston, Merry Christmas, champ. And y'all niggas think this bitch is bad like that. Oh no. This bitch look like if Steffi Graf was on fentanyl, nigga. Nah, this ain't Mary. We ain't. Yeah, this ain't Steffi Graf. This is Methy Graf. Oh, my word. Nigga, what happened to your chest? Nigga, you look like you got hit with a body shot from Evander Holyfield in his prime, nigga. Damn, nigga, did a bull charge and hit you right in your fucking chest? I bet you ain't gonna never talk to that nigga bitch again. That nigga told you he was gonna cave your chest in, nigga, and he did that shit. That nigga, whoever did that to you is living they lyrics.
Not as much as last week.
This bitch is higher than a motherfucker, nigga. This hoe is higher than all outside, bro. I mean, you had to be high as fuck to even come up with some shit like this. Is that a bitch in underwater?
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Y'all gonna get it, bro. Even if I never see it, y'all gonna get it. And I don't take any joy because I don't think you know what you getting. That's why I can never really have joy in y'all getting it, because y'all don't even know what y'all getting ready to get. Hey man, what the fuck? See, this is why I will never be famous. I can't just go along with this type of shit.
$350 question.
This bitch got... I'm done.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Shout out to the furries. Y'all niggas not slick. Now you shouting out the furries? Okay. All right. Oh, okay. I see what this is. And you not one of the just the general furries. You may be one of those evil ones. Did you just touch that furry's cock? Oh my Lord.
From the streets did she emerge, and to the street she will return.
She belongs to the streets.
Like, you gotta be crawling to a bowl of Coke. This is a Coke crawl.
Try it, man.
What's this shit on the floor? Y'all done killed a nun?
He is not a man of God.
Oh, she ain't dead.
He is not a man of God.
She tweaking. Is that coke on the floor? Didn't I tell you it was a coke crawl? Didn't I tell you she was doing a coke crawl? What is this? And he in a mountain of snow freezing, nigga. That's the coke.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Are y'all cockfighting? And now she's about to give Santa some head.
Remember, we're the wet bandits. Wet bandits. And W.
Shut up!
Shut up! Get off! Hey, come on.
So now Kevin McAllister's about to get some head from Kim Kardashian. Drugs were definitely involved.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
I would have been swallowed up. Have you ever been swallowed up? Have you gone through a time of swallowing?
Yo, the devil's in full effect. Yo, the devil's in full effect. Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Just when I thought I seen it all. And I was supposed to believe that Kim Kardashian and Beyonce accidentally disrespected Jesus on his birthday. So what's up, Macaulay? You trying to get back in the game? Is this your way of trying to pledge your way back into the game, my nigga? Calkin, I'm talking to you, bitch. KS Dub, good night, bro. I should be more official to this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get back to working for real Monday. I'm tired. I just gotta be honest. What the fuck was that? What did I just watch? Because I'm confused. I'm so confused. Something from Nicoli's coming. He pledging. He getting out here disrespecting Jesus on Jesus' birthday. You know, there's got to be something with that. So, outside of the satanic imagery, what was this about? I guess I missed it. Not a new Richie Rich. I mean, you want to talk about sacrilegious. This video was just that. Now, resurrection of the good son, I might be with that though. That may be one I can get with though, Si. Is this the family portrait? Ooh, Chris, that's a great question. That's a great question. And I'm watching her crawl around, and that shit wasn't sexy to me at all. Her body does not look like a normal female body. Not even for that quote unquote size. This is not how girls are built. This bitch is fake titties, fake ass, fake lips. Like, yeah, bro. If she was that bad, why does she need all that fake shit? Common girl, Merry Christmas. Well, that's true everywhere but here at Top 20. We not going for that over here. We know what yesterday is about. I wasn't even going to let some people that call themselves like pro-Jesus. I'm like, for you to be pro-Jesus on some of your channels and stuff, for you to get up and upload videos talking about like, y'all thought y'all were celebrating Christmas, but y'all were really celebrating some God of some other thing that tricked you into something. Bro, God is not a gaslighter. Like, God is going to jay you down like, now I know in your heart you would really celebrate my son's birthday, but you're an idiot. Why would you ever celebrate my son's birthday? You should have known that was a trick. That should be wild to me. I'm like, people have a day where they recognize in Jesus and you complain about it as you claim to be pro-Jesus. Make it make sense. All for the sake of being an advanced thinker. Good night, Chadrick. That's what's up, Chad. This was some type of ritual. I bet in the next coming days, somebody will break it down and have all of the exact rituals and shit that they were using. I mean, people act like Drake's owl doesn't mean anything sinister. I mean, Laura, but have they really? I'll give you an example. What I mean. This motherfucking video already got almost 2 million views. That's not what being irrelevant looks like. Irrelevant ain't 2 million views in the first week of your video. And this would be anti the Kardashians all the way through and through. But whatever you would consider their peak, I sat back at their peak and was like, I don't get it. I don't get it. And then like her and her sisters are just getting NBA niggas left and right. Just wild shit. Just like. Definitely, I can give you that, Laura. It's just that I feel where you coming from, because I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm sitting like how you was sitting until I clicked the video. I was like, she's still jumping like this. So trust me, I know exactly. That's exactly how I felt. And Kanye was ready to just trade. He was ready to die for this bitch. And then Kanye wanted us all to understand when he found out all the shit everybody was already trying to tell him. It's like Kanye. It just ain't gonna hit the way you want to because we try to tell you about this bitch. You wouldn't listen. That's not our fault. That was some real satanic shit. It was very creepy. And then, of course, it was several downright blasphemy. There was just so much blasphemy in that. Her twerking in front of Jesus Christ is dirty work. Kanye Hunter, stop it. I just be trying to understand because there are a lot of niggas that think she hot though. There's a lot of niggas that look at Kanye and be like, I understand why he fucked with her. And I'm like, are you for real? Can I find a chick hot with like some fake titties? Yeah, but it is way less likely that if her titties wasn't fake. Breeding with that was just done. I mean, I don't even understand, Sai. I don't know what's dumber, having the kid or marrying her. You want me to keep that a stack? When she was Armenian, she was cute. That's real shit. Then it was like she wanted to look like a stereotypical white girl and a stereotypical black girl at the same time. And extreme stereotypes of each. Outrageous, this bitch. And they out here disrespecting Jesus like this on his birthday. It's just outrageous level of work. Yeah, everybody else just be like, I don't know how you got all of this from that. I'm like, I don't know how you saw anything else other than just straight satanic imagery. Like some motherfuckers, you talk to them and they be like, well, unless they saw Satan, if they didn't show Satan in the whole video, well, congratulations. You do know you can represent Satan throughout a whole video without ever saying his name or what could be him. I know what I saw, and I know what I'm seeing. I know what I saw, and I'm looking at what I'm seeing. And shit's outrageous. But y'all got it, bro. Y'all definitely know more than me. So, there's that. Beyonce got lifted on a cross and everybody be like, bro, that just kind of looks like a cross. That would, like, they wouldn't really put Beyonce on a cross, bro. But they did, and they raised her in the sky after she threw up all types of, she made sure to throw up the dynasty sign, 666s a bunch of times, just all the shit. And then I was supposed to believe that that was just a coincidence that she was on something that quote unquote looks like she was on a cross, but it wasn't really a cross though. Got you. Got you. So are you getting ready to give Santa some head right now? Because remember, we come to find out at the end that Santa's sitting there with a camera filming her. Shit hitting different already after one walk. And what is going on here? Why are they wrapped up in the phone cord? What's in that Mountain Dew bottle? And this bitch is laying singing next to the motherfucking trash can, nigga.
She belongs to the streets.
Was that Tony Busby? Hey, I can't put anything past Big Crunch Bar Busby, nigga. Big Crunch Bar Busby, nigga. Busby dick looked like a long john that was exposed to the air too long. You know when you let the donut sit out and then it started looking ashy because the air hit it too long? That's what Busby shit looked like. Big Crunch Bar Busby, nigga. Don't disrespect, nigga. Nigga dick look like a fire roasted jalapeno, nigga. Fire roasted poblano pepper, nigga. Burning these hoes. Yeah, Busby, he likes it raw. Yeah, Busby, he likes it raw. Yeah, Busby, he likes it raw. Jay, he fucked y'all raw today, nigga. Big Crunch Bar Busby fucked y'all niggas raw today, nigga. Nope. And whenever they take the trash out, they better take this bitch with it. Her and Beyonce so fucking overrated, nigga. First of all, bitches like Kim Kardashian crack me up when they try to be like, they hot for 44. And I'm like, well, only ugly bitches be ugly at 44. Because pretty much if you was a bad bitch at like 20, unless you done went through the methany stage, you a bad bitch at 40. It may not be the same type of bad, but you still a bad bitch. She's trying to rate her bad off of, I can compete with 20-year-old bitches. No, you can't. A bitch 25, you're not competing with her. Compete in your own weight class. Girls got to learn to stay in their weight classes. Nigga, is this, there goes Satan right here.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
Common girl in the cut one time. Let's break out the Methuselahs. This ain't Satan right here. Horns. Be considered horns. All redded out. Yep, that's the trickster. Talk plain then. Well, so now y'all can't even say that because he is in the video. Get up. Fighting over money. Hey! I guarantee somebody will find some type of satanic imagery from inside of an Egyptian temple and be like, this is exactly what they were doing. This looks like they were just playing Twister, but really it's, this is a 1450 BC ritual. One-eye symbolism, nigga. We can't even play with that. Yep, just a coincidence. Y'all always be telling me these type of things just coincidences. Man, y'all so damn demon time, bro. Just them ass shots is just, ugh. It's the dissing Jesus on his birthday that's just, it be too much for me. Yeah, that was Mary. With the donkey. If it ain't snowing, you ain't going, huh? Oh, shit. Oof. I need some type of warning, nigga. No, she looks possessed, nigga. Cave that nigga chest in.
800.
Did you cave his chest in old school and take his bread?
900. Not as much as last week. Have you ever been to McDonald's?
I mean, this bitch is passed out on drugs.
Yo, the devil's in full effect.
And then y'all got him wearing a 44 jersey. Because 44 is standing on guard for y'all fuck niggas. Man, it's a wild level of imagery in this motherfucker.
$50 question.
Like, what the fuck is going on?
I mean, this is some shameful shit.
This nigga's getting faded up. What the fuck is this, man?
From the streets did she emerge, into the street she will return.
She belongs to the streets.
And I'm supposed to think that position for her is hot. I don't.
Try it, man.
not a man of God. He is not a man of God. Not a man of God. Not a man of God. He is not a man of God.
What do you mean he's not a man of God? Who are you referring to? Who are you referring to? When you say he's not a man of... All right, bro. Keep playing. Good night, champ. Green fishing, what's happening, cousin? These niggas over here cockfighting. And this nigga is the most zestiest cockfighter I've ever seen in my life.
I'm losing my motherfucking mind, man.
Nah, nigga. The answer is no. I tried to open my mind, and now I regret it. The answer is no. The answer is 1,000% no. I don't even know what to say, bro. The amount of demon shit I've had to sit and watch tonight. God, I just thank you. Thank you for keeping me safe around these demons. I mean, this shit's wild. Shout out to who told me this? Who told me to turn this on? I forgot that quick. Somebody in here remembers. You guys excuse me. I'm all over the place this evening. Yeah, I definitely rebuke all of that shit. Top 20 did. Right on. Yeah, that. Like, what is up with that shit? Like, what the fuck is that? And with a straight face, bro. And then, like, everything they do ain't satanic. But a lot of the shit they do is. To do some shit like that on Jesus' birthday is wild to me. Yep, the video was 4 minutes, 44 seconds. And the video was only 4 minutes and 40 seconds long. They made it that extra 4 seconds just to make it that. It was 4 seconds of complete black screen. Oh, yeah, Scott. That's not... I mean, the shit was elaborate. We got to at least give them that. Even though the shit was stupid, it was elaborate. So you know that shit, they had to practice that. But Hollywood always finding some way to motherfucking disrespect Jesus in some way and swear that they not doing that. But then if you say something about L. Ron Hubbard, some of them niggas are gonna go crazy. Right. Just start, you know what I mean? Wild business. I've done enough demony for this evening. This is where I'm gonna go spend the rest of my Christmas chilling. Say Merry Christmas to your boy. Yes, I know Christmas is yesterday, and at this point, 2 days ago, for some of y'all. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Christmas until Monday for me. Christmas until New Year, to be honest with you. Shout out to Jay-Z for fucking up so that way I can get off work early tonight. I gotta hop on the game. I think that's what I might do before I go lay down. Hop on this game. Give me some Christmas double XP. I was clapping fools yesterday. These weak ass dumb motherfuckers. And y'all niggas gotta stop whining about skill-based matchmaking. Sometimes them niggas are better than you. This is literally a thing now where niggas is like, if I can't win every match, it's because they cheated. J-Rock, Lord, Angry, Comic Girl, P-Love, Javon Barksdale, Napa, Coco, Janice, Bobby, Safe, Scott Johnson, Be a Blessing, V12, James, J-Rock, I think, yeah, I'm gonna go live over there. I think I'll go over there and run a couple on the live. Happy Hanukkah to you, Janice. Yeah, I tried to hop in one of your games. But I don't be knowing what I'm doing. Because I wasn't live or nothing. I was like, I'm going to just try to hop in this fool shit. I fucked it up, though. Kendra, Robert, Joy, Merry Christmas, everybody. Clee, Merry Christmas. They on demon time on Christmas, bro. They won't even let Jesus have his day, bro. That's wild. That's some nasty work. But God is great. God is great. I know the reason for the season, and it ain't these hoes. Shan, I'm God's son. The only thing I'm worried about coming out of Christmas is shit like this.
Damn, you just ate 2 boxes of pizza. What else you want now? You done put in another order? What you grabbing now, man? What you grabbing now, baby?
I got the 25 tender meal.
So that just for yourself? That's for us too, or just for yourself?
For me.
That's a lot of motherfucking tenders. That's a lot of meat. So you gonna eat all that shit yourself? Okay, you want something? What else you want?
I got fries and mashed potatoes.
So you getting fries and mash? Why? That's the same shit. So, see, look, you got the kids out there hungry. You getting all this shit for yourself. Okay, what else you just want to fill yourself up? Fuck us, huh? Don't look stupid now. You just gonna have a whole buffet to yourself. And not get us shit. We in here eating on chips and shit. But I'm about to go get your motherfucking food for you, man. Your tray should be on your bed, ready for you.
Y'all see it? Yeah. That's what it is. Best hands in the world. Y'all be playing with me. Come taste it yourself. See all that butter? Deliciousness. Y'all want to know the secret so bad about it? A little bit more. A little bit more.
And this is why.
And this is why big backing is an epidemic. This is why big backing is an epidemic. I had to take a shot of insulin. Get some insulin from somebody else to finish watching this video. Y'all swear y'all be cooking. You got a whole 40-pound bag of sugar on 3 pans of yams. Talking about you see it. We see it. We see diabetes. We see gout, cavities in all teeth, hypertension, headaches, limb amputations, the big arm disease. I don't know what they call it, but just big arms. And if you can spread sugar like that, it's too much. Toss talking about and a little bit more. That's enough. Jesus said that was enough. It's more than enough. It's abundant. You cooking up disease at this point. I wouldn't eat them yams with somebody else's mouth. We gotta do better. We gotta stop this mess.
Hey, Jay. Merry Christmas.
Yo, what's going on, boys? How are you?
Yo, dap me up.
Hey, all right, damn. What part of the city are you from?
Yo,
What's up?
there, brother.
Hey,
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
You guys ready for this?
Take this.
Oh, all right, sick. Why don't you guys come inside? Don't ski. These are the guys.
I'm Octavius Gray. And I'm Steve. Steve LeVois. It's okay, I have vape in here, right?
Set the mood right. If you are, baby, I'm looking so fly. Sunset rooftop, yeah, that's nice, right? Hop in the G-Class, I know you need that. Heart racing fast like the speed of light. Is this attraction, or is it the moonlight? You want satisfaction, but only for one night. This could be real love, but you've been broken, and I just want you to see what I can be for you. 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 You've got me wrapped up in your love.
Barely.
Finding you is like
LNC gang, let's shoot some bots.
Making my heart feel this way, yeah, yeah. And I'll treat you so damn special. What you did, who you were with, I don't care about those days. When I'm with you, I won't complain. Share your success and heartbreaks. Yeah, you know I stay by your side. Never leave you dissatisfied. But I need you to let me know. Is this attraction, or is it the moonlight? You want satisfaction, but only for one night. This could be real love, but you've been broken, and I just want you to see
My name is Jeff.
what I can be for you. 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 Baby girl, it's just one night. Yeah, baby girl, it's just one night. Oh, yeah, it's just one night. Yeah, baby girl, it's just one night. Yeah, girl, it's just one night. Yeah, baby girl, it's just one night. Oh, yeah, it's just one night. Yeah, baby girl, it's just one night.
Crushed it.
God is great. God is great. Happy birthday, Jesus. I don't care what they say. It's still your birthday to me. You can't get more than one day? That's cold. Someone get birthday months, Jesus.
Guys, I gotta go.
You got it,
I don't want
Jess.
to hurt myself.
You got a pee?
It's all right. No,
You
you
got it,
gotta
Jess.
go. You gotta go, girl.
Let go.
I don't even want to fall.
Turn to the side.
You're okay. Just
You're good.
land right on that booty, girl. Just put your legs out
Turn
and
to the
fall on
side.
your booty.
Jess, you're amazing. You
Say
got
it.
it.
You got it. You got it. Turn to the side. Just let go and turn. Like you're laying in bed.
Yep.
Like you're jumping onto your bed on your side.
Just let go and turn to the side. Shut your eyes.
You got it, my love.
Just turn to the side.
You're okay. Have fun.
I've never even heard of him.
I'm petty.